Okay, guys, maybe a long video. I apologize in advance, but this is really an important video. If you're going to estimate zzTakeoff, I would really encourage you to watch this whole video. I'll try to keep it under 10 minutes. But what I want to say is there's three things you should do before you start building in ZZ. And these are the building blocks, the ABCs, the 1, 2, 3s, okay? There's a video in ZZ's community that says how to import or build your product list. That should be number one, okay? Number two is you should have a formula Excel sheet, okay? List out all the formulas that you're ever going to use and build them and test them in ZZ, okay? So obviously the simple ones, area, volume to cubic yard. We probably just want to use volume now because of the new zzTakeoff. But anyways, go through and just test every single one of those. Once you feel very confident in this, now what I want you to do is go for the C in this, is I want you to think about building basic parts for everything that you do, because right now we have a universal part list with our product list. We can use one part and do everything. You can use a labor part, you can turn it into a material part, you can turn a count into an area. It's really universal, okay? But what I've done is I've kind of narrowed it down so I don't have to do that many switching from labor to material, from count to area to volume to whatever. I made some basic parts. And so I have some material parts, some labor parts, and equipment parts. Equipment parts are simple. I have one for linear, one for area, one for count. You know, it's really simple stuff. And when I do this, I just making sure that I am, saying what it is in the description so I understand it when I drag it in. The formula thing here is amazing if you haven't seen that. Right now I'm in formula mode because you can see that gear there. But I'll go to text mode, and what I did is I used a bracket, description bracket, just kind of like PlanSwift's codes, if you would. But when I type that in, it's going to copy anything that I put in description, but I have to turn it into a formula. Okay, so now when I do that, you can see it turned it into, make sure I'm in formula mode. Yes, because it's in blue. Okay, so here we go. Let's sidetrack there. Okay, so I built a part for everything. In my labor, I have a labor part for anything. I've used a crew for my labor part. I like to think in crew production rates or crew builds to give you individual hours. You can, and that way, if you wanted to, you could have a crew rate, you can have an hourly rate, whatever it is. But I've built this basic parts for everything that I have, whether it's material volume, standard material, wall height, equipment, based on each one of those types. So when I drag it in, I don't have to do all those changes. Okay, but speaking of dragging it in, I have this takeoff area, and I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And you can see I have some fertilizer in here. Okay, what happens if I want to go ahead and drag in another one? Hey, you know what? Let's just duplicate this one. So let's open this up. I'm going to copy it here. Copy and paste. Then I'll open it up. And what we're going to do is we're going to change this. Okay, it's still going to be an area takeoff, but I'm going to change the formula from my handy dandy formula sheet. Let's see if I can make this pretty easy. Here, this is the formula that I would like to copy in there. Command C. Okay, and let's go back here to our handy dandy formula. Paste that in there, and I'm going to say I need 3 cubic yards per 1,000 of, let's go compost. There it is down there. Okay, you can see it set the price, the SKU number, the markup, cubic yards, everything. So now I know I need 43 cubic yards of compost. See what I'm saying is if you minimize the type of parts that you need to build, test them, Use it as a universal part. Like I can bring in here and bring in bark mulch if I want. I can bring in more fertilizer. I can bring in labor. I can bring in equipment. Everything is here because I have all these basic building blocks to throw it in. It's kind of like Legos, you know. You just start putting them in there, and this is what I want. You test them, make sure they work. And once you get that, let's say this is soil prep, you get it finalized and you're very happy with it, you've checked all your price, your hours and everything else, you can copy and then put that into your templates knowing full well that that thing is perfect. Okay, so the ABCs, the A would be your list first, B would be your formulas. Okay, make a formula list. If you need mine, man, I'll send it to you. I don't care. And then C would be to build those basic parts that you have here. Okay, these material building blocks, the Legos, if you would. And you can have labor, you can have equipment, you can have other, you can have subcontractor. Just perfect them, okay? Make sure your linear is a linear takeoff, your area is an area takeoff, your count's a count takeoff. Just perfect it. Guys, once you do that and you start building in zzTakeoff, you're going to have the fundamentals already covered. You have all your parts there. You have all your building blocks are ready to use. Your formulas have been tested. You can go to town and start building out your template assemblies, okay? Thank you for watching. And just remember, product list first, there's a video, formula list, okay, and then build your building blocks, okay? This will help you immensely as you work your way through zzTakeoff. All right, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.